Record. Yeah. That's something Zimbo, but them know where I do. You see it? They have been on toes, we're there. Well Beach Bike Week 013. Claudia. Man. Yeah man, I saw the man did run it. Did get the swag. They have Mr. Chiller. You know. Black boy. Yeah, as I say, yo, this is D, you know what I'm saying? Real Miami bumbuckler nigga run the place, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you mean?
I'm a part of them soul nigga too, dog. Like for real, yo, living the life.
Mad.
Soul life.
Who you got?
Even though yo, big up yard man, big up the Asian them, you feel me?
Make that shit that's many.
Say yo, black people for life.
Mad.
Never switch, never sell.
Sick. Yeah man, there's a page I look at it. Bumbuckler. Future Babylon, bumbuckler.
Sick. You know zero fridge, they don't know.
Man.
2013, we there, Bill, on the block, day one.
Damn right.
Yeah. So
you think I got him tomorrow? So now roll. Yeah, our blood clot plate.
M6, show them M6.
Jump in that blood clot.
You see? There.
Bumbuckler.
Oh, car road.